Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to pay someone quickly but couldn't figure out how to do it? Maybe you were trying to pay a contractor, a freelancer, or even a friend. So you're not alone. Many people struggle with international payments. In this video, we're going to talk about Deel, a platform that makes it easy to pay people in over 150 countries. We'll cover how long it takes Deel to process a payment, as well as some of the other benefits of using Deel. What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and payments platform that helps businesses pay employees and contractors around the world. Deel makes it easy to comply with local labor laws and regulations, and it also provides a variety of payment options, including bank transfers, PayPal, and Payoneer. How long does Deel take to process a payment? The time it takes Deel to process a payment depends on a number of factors, including the payment method you use, the country you're sending the payment to, and the currency you're using. In general, Deel takes 1 to 3 business days to process a payment. However, it can take up to 5 business days for payments to be processed if the recipient's bank is located in a country with a slower banking system. Here are some of the factors that can affect the processing time of your Deel payment. Payment method. Bank transfers typically take longer to process than other payment methods, such as PayPal and Payoneer. Country. Payments to countries with slower banking systems may take longer to process. Currency. Payments made in currencies that are not widely used may take longer to process. Benefits of using Deel. In addition to being fast and easy to use, Deel offers a number of other benefits, including compliance. Deel helps businesses comply with local labor laws and regulations. Variety of payment options. Deel offers a variety of payment options, including bank transfers, PayPal, and Payoneer. Security. Deel uses a variety of security measures to protect your data. Customer support. Deel has a team of customer support representatives who are available to answer your questions and help you with any problems you may have. Deel is a great option for businesses that need to pay employees and contractors around the world. Deel is fast, easy to use, and secure. If you're looking for a reliable way to make international payments, I highly recommend Deel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.